And it's new and fresh and I'm very excited about this vlog.
वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। तो आज हम रिएक्शन देने वाले हैं हीरा मंडी पे। तो चलिए, लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब कौन करेगा? कर दो नीचे।
सिर्फ घुंघरू पहन लेने से औरत तवाइफ नहीं बनती है। दिन के और रात के सारे हुनर सीखने पड़ते हैं। जबान रखते हुए हाथ छू जाए तो साहब के अरमान और जिस्म दोनों जाग जाने चाहिए।
मलिका, मलिका, मलिका।
Sir, these Tawaifs are very powerful, and they have the Nawabs under their thumbs.
क्या फिरोज साहब, अब आधे मिनट का भी एहसान जताएंगे आप?
तीर निशाने पे लगा है मेरी जान,
और हाथ में।
ऐसा नजारा लेडीज रूम में कहाँ देखने को नसीब होगा?
फरीदन दहलीज पार कर गई, दीवार पार नहीं कर पाएंगी।
पुरानी दीवारें पार नहीं की जाती, गिरा दी जाती है।
शराफत हमने छोड़ दी, मोहब्बत ने हमें छोड़ दी। अब सिर्फ बगावत हमारी जिंदगी को मायने दे सकती है। एक बार मुजरे वाली नहीं, मुल्क वाली बनकर सोचिए।
नवाब जोरावर अली खान जब जूता भी मारता है तो सोने का मारता है मलिका जान।
ये शाही महल और यहाँ के खुदा हम हैं।
ये मलिका जान का दामन है, इतने से खून से इसकी प्यास नहीं बुझेगी।
आप इसी फव्वारे में बेजान नंगी तैरती नजर आएंगी।
शाही महल है,
मोहब्बत और बगावत के बीच कोई लकीर नहीं होती। इश्क और इनकलाब के बीच कोई फर्क नहीं होता।
हीरा मंडी में अंग्रेजों का नहीं, मलिका जान।
Hi guys, it's me Sonakshi Sinha and today I'm getting ready for Hira Mandi.
I'm playing the role of Lajwanti. I'm Pippu Jan.
So this is how we get ready.
How we create this character of Malika Jan.
Today we're getting ready as Aurangzeb. We are on the sets of Hira Mandi and the actual creator of Wahida.
Have you ever done a hairstyle like this?
No.
No. And it's new and fresh and I'm very excited about this vlog.
Been briefed by Sanjay what kind of look he wants.
Click. I want these two images of her. Malika Jan is a girl also. Malika Jan is a wicked woman also. Malika Jan is pure also.
Malika Jan.
For Sanjay sir, the look and how the character is looking at that point is very, very important to her story. And then hair, makeup, jewelry is a whole other universe.
Jewelry बहुत अच्छी होती
All
है।
come around Sanjay sir's brain and heart.
A director explaining me about the scene, I completely understand. But the director taking interest in makeup and hair, smallest of detailing, for me, it's magical.
थोड़ा इस टाइप का मेकअप जो कि दिखने में बहुत मॉडर्न ना लगे।
थोड़ा
उसके बाद
traditional
हम
type
आईज को डिफाइन करेंगे और थोड़े से ब्राउज को पीरियड टाइप की शेप देंगे। Hair will have curls. This is all my hair.
Just like my hair.
The show throughout you see my hair is a little bit of a reddish undertone.
So my brief for hair was like the hair has to be big and the olden days ka.
Longing my hair and adding a lot more length. Radhika adds a whole bunch of extensions. Most of the way Sanjay sir perceives his heroines is through their eyes. You see this eye is curled and this eye is not.
This eye is
when you curl your lashes,
nothing.
automatically your eyes look bigger.
And Sanjay sir told me my eyes are my best feature and it's beautiful, it's simplistic. for Sanjay sir. Completely
संजय
visualized.
सर की बहुत
Parida
बड़ाई हो
in
रही है
his
भाई.
own way. This is the pasa, which
Sonakshi
is a
love.
very elaborate piece of jewelry.
Is this a vintage piece?
Yes.
The design, you can tell it's an older design.
Oh yeah, as a matapati.
Sanjay sir's amazing genius brain.
Oh my God, I
love it. It's so beautiful. And this is one of my favorite pieces. I wore it for the poster show.
Reason is a very interesting character, so we've got some stunning polki jewelry, some authentic vintage pieces.
असली बात तो तुम बोल नहीं रही हो. सब real jewelry.
All of it is real.
मुझे भी ऐसी नहीं आ रही.
Just like असली सोना.
Just like asli sona.
How heavy the jewelry has to be. This is my personal favorite. Actually.
Yes.
I use in most of the scenes.
But one thing in Hira Mandi that I got to wear a lot of is nose rings.
इतनी बड़ी nose
I
rings.
love nose rings. And I enjoyed that.
This is the final element of Aurangzeb's costume, the dupatta. As you can see, we have a really ornate dupatta here.
Sir loves it when I just throw it on like that. He loves for the dupatta to look like supernatural, just like flowy, free.
I think my character wears a lot of saris because she fancies herself as like she's modeled herself on somebody in her own head. It's just really beautiful to wear all this.
These are the costumes I've worn in the show, and every retailing of each and every costume. This is the best what they've given me.
Malika Jan is stepping out. She would have it draped
On the head.
on the head. Sanjay sir always says the beauty is when it on one side, balancing all this jewelry and heavy weighted costume. That's Malika Jan for today.
Yes, perfect.
Perfect. So it's the time for like and subscribe. मिलते हैं next reaction video में.